Спуск!
Значит, в салазке делать. Все, заебись, вопрос решился. Ёбаный.
Ну она пошла ровно, блядь.
Цель!
Она пошла ровно!
Прицел 356, заряд осколочно фугасный.
Выстрел!
Да, давай М107 была беглым и
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Kharkov direction, the Sever group of forces hit units of a motorized infantry brigade and a territorial defense brigade close to Volchansk, Kharkov region. The AFU losses amounted to up to 45 troops, a tank, 2 motor vehicles, and a NATO-made self-propelled artillery system. Units of the Zapad group of forces improved the tactical situation. Russian units hit 2 mechanized brigades, an assault brigade of the AFU, and a territorial defense brigade near Drobashevo, Katarinovka, Kirovsk, Karpovka, Donetsk People's Republic, Shikovka, Kamenka, and Lozovaya, Kharkov region. The AFU losses amounted to up to 190 troops, a tank, 10 motor vehicles, 4 field artillery pieces including 2 Western-made artillery pieces. 2 electronic warfare stations were destroyed. Units of the Yug group of forces took more advantageous lines and positions. Russian troops engaged 3 mechanized brigades, an airmobile brigade, and 2 motorized infantry brigades of the Ukrainian armed forces near Klebenbyk, Dalievka, Shevchenko, Pleshchievka, Seversk, Chasov Yar, Konstantinovka, Serebryanka, and Kramatorsk, Donetsk People's Republic. The AFU losses amounted to up to 205 troops, 2 pickup trucks, and a U.S.-made 155mm M777 howitzer. The Center group of forces units improved the situation along the front line. 5 mechanized brigades, 2 Jaeger brigades, 2 assault brigades, an airborne brigade of the AFU, a marine brigade, and 2 National Guard brigades were hit near Novopavlovka, Udagnoy, Krasnoarmeysk, Dmitrov, Yelizavatovka, Andrievka, Kotlyarovka, and Uspanovka, Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy lost amounted up to 605 troops, a tank, 4 armored fighting vehicles including a U.S.-made M113 armored personnel carrier and a U.S.-made Max Pro armored vehicle, and 3 motor vehicles. 4 artillery guns were neutralized. Units of the Vostok group of forces continued advancing into the depth of enemy defenses. Russian forces damaged 3 mechanized brigades, a Jaeger brigade, an assault regiment of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, and 2 territorial defense brigades near Podobnoy, Voskresenka, Otradnoy, Bogodar, Komar, Dniproenergia, Shevchenko, Privolnoy of the Donetsk People's Republic, and Guliapol, Zaporozhye region. The enemy's losses amounted to up to 200 troops, a tank, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 7 motor vehicles, and 4 field artillery guns, including a Polish-made Krab self-propelled artillery system. The Dnieper group of forces engaged manpower and hardware of a mechanized brigade, a mountain assault brigade, 2 coastal defense brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, and 2 territorial defense brigades near Mykolovka, Sadavoy, Kherson region, and Maly Sherbaki, Zaporozhye region. The AFU lost up to 70 troops, a tank, 4 motor vehicles, an artillery gun, and an electronic warfare station. Operational tactical aviation, attack drones, missile troops and artillery of the Russian groups of forces engaged the infrastructure of military airfields, assembly plants for the production of unmanned aerial vehicles and their storage, as well as clusters of manpower and hardware of the Armed Forces of Ukraine in 139 areas. Air defense systems shot down 2 U.S.-made HIMARS MLRS projectiles and 88 aircraft-type unmanned aerial vehicles. In total, since the beginning of the special military operation, 656 aircraft, 283 helicopters, 45,174 unmanned aerial vehicles, 600 anti-aircraft missile systems, 21,966 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,523 MLRS combat vehicles, 22,215 field artillery guns and mortars, and 32,405 units of support military vehicles have been neutralized.